Hey, Diamond Squad. Welcome back, Diamond Squad. Stay motivated. Stay motivated. Hey, hey, motivation. Keep it going. Don't go off that train track. Keep it straight. Hey, y'all know I'm not a rapper or anything, but I just want you guys to stay motivated. Let's go with this job, the second video of today. This is from a company called Pop A Lock. Pop A Lock. And the job role for this company will be a remote call center agent. You will be a dispatcher worker from home. This is an entry level position. This is a no experience necessary at all position. So let's get into what this video is about and what this job entails for you. Now, Pop A Lock is expanding. We need home-based dispatchers. Pop A Lock, America's largest locksmith, car door unlocking, and roadside assistance company is looking for highly motivated people for an immediate full-time opening. Requirements for this job: you will need strong communication skills, attention to detail, strong customer service, multitasking, ability to sympathize and build rapport with customers, comfortable with emails, able to work with dispatching software, field phone calls from incoming customers wanting prices for services, available weekends and holidays. Windows 10 or higher, computer no more than 4 years old. High-speed internet connection is a must. Okay, now please note we do a thorough criminal background check and drug screening as part of our employee selection process. We also contact all references and previous employers. Now, about Pop A Lock. Started by law enforcement officers in 1991, Pop A Lock is now the largest full service locksmith and door unlocking service in the United States, with 138 locations in 36 states and 3,200 cities. Pop A Lock employees have rescued over 120,000 children so far through the company's emergency door unlocking program as a free service to communities. No experience necessary. Right? You see it right there? I hope you guys are hearing me well. I just placed my leg down. It was midway in between, so hopefully you guys heard that about this type of company. It's a great company. All this great resources to help people get back into their homes or cars, uh, and roadside assistance with this company since 1991. And it started by law enforcement officers in 1991. So yes, the start pay will be $11 through $15 per hour. Okay, so if you like, just go ahead and apply and keep sparkling, keep shining, stay motivated, guys. Motivation is the key. Consistency and consistency is the key. You guys got this. Go ahead and apply and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and come back for more opportunities on my channel. Factual, legitimate resources and jobs. Careers are what I'm aiming for. It's the highest of all tiers. Head for a career and not just a gig. Come back to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.